guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. Today I wanted to do this sparkly, vibrant look because I was inspired by, let me just give you some hints. Ooh, I know, it's July 4th, Independence Day. Let freedom ring. Ding, 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 you're right. It's inspired by the upcoming 4th of July holiday. I just thought it would be kind of fun to, in addition, enjoying your barbecue, the fireworks show, and fun music to celebrate Independence Day, to also bring in some patriotic vibes into your makeup look. So before I get into this look, I thought I should first do my obligatory serenade. I love Katy Perry and I love this song. You've been picking really good songs lately.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 beyond the strings but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause it's sparking you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show them what you're worth. Make them go oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make them go oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave them all in
I hope you guys enjoyed that rendition. That song always puts me in an upbeat mood. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to see how I create this sparkly, fun, patriotic makeup look. First step you want to do is go ahead and prep and prime your face, which I have already done so. And I also went ahead and did my brows with the Benefit Give Me Brow Gel. The next step, I am going to go ahead and prime my eyes. So I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And after that, I am going to go ahead and use my Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette today. It's interesting that a lot of these fall themed palettes, I'm actually using them for summer inspired looks. There's just a lot of vibrant colors actually in these Too Faced fall palettes. So I'm going to first go ahead and apply a base shade of Crisp generously all over the lid. I'm going to start drawing my graphic liner next. So I'm going to actually now go in with my Lorac Pro Palette, and I'm going to go in with this navy shade, and I want to start scoping out and drawing the graphic liner. I think I've mentioned this a few times, but while I love the look of a graphic liner, they are so hard to draw, and I'm not artistic in any way, so I just pray and hope for the best. after that, I'm going to go ahead and fill in the space in between with this red shade from the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. It's called You Spicy. And I'm also going to go ahead and highlight my inner corners with Oh My Gourd, and as well as my brow bone, and bring some of it into the inner thirds. And then after that, I'm actually going to bring some color to my lower lash line. So I'm going to go in with that navy shade and bring some of it to the lower lash line. I just really like how my Too Faced glitter liner looks, so I'm just going to go over the blue graphic liner that I drew with the glitter liner. The glitter liner, I think it really makes my eyes pop. And after that, I am going to go ahead and pop on my falsies. So again, I'm going to use my Ardell Natural Lashes. I have popped on the falsies. I'm just going to go ahead and add some more blues and reds to my lower lash line, just to add some more congruency in the colors. And then I'm going to go ahead and show some lower lash love. So I'm going to use actually my Lancome Monsieur Big Waterproof Mascara and just apply some to the lower lash line. And at this point, I'm pretty much nearly done with the look. I'm just going to go ahead and dust on some blush. So again, using my Too Faced Perfect Flush Blush. Going to dust on some highlighter. So again, I'm going to use my Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter. With the whole patriotic theme of the look, I'm actually going to use one of my Clinique Chubby sticks. I think it is called Poppy, with this bright red shade. And there you have it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I would love to see if you guys try out any patriotic themed makeup looks as well for your Independence Day. I hope you guys enjoy your 4th of July and stay tuned for more content from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.